This is Brett, and we are working on doing some Qigong, and one of the sounds in Qigong is the sound shh. That is the sound for releasing anger out of the liver. So show me how you release anger with the sound shh. Throw it to the ground, Brett. Shh. Throw it. Shh. Throw in anger to the ground. Shh. Throw it. Shh. 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 So whenever you feel angry, you can just go shh. And say, now my liver is clean and clear. Good job. Keep in mind that the liver stores the emotion of anger. So when our little ones feel angry, their organs are holding all of that grown-up emotion. And their little organs are much smaller than ours. So they have to release it somehow. So we're going to teach them how to release their emotions. And the sound again for the liver is shh. And that corresponds with the liver. Say bye, Brett.